Close your eyes for a moment. Take a deep breath. The body you call your home, is it truly your temple? Or have you turned it into a dustbin? What you ate in the last 24 hours is flowing in your blood right now. Is it giving you life? Or slowly, quietly, pushing you toward decay?
Our ancestors said, 1 meal a day, a yogi. 2 meals a day, a pleasure seeker. 3 meals a day, a patient. And today, we eat not because we are hungry, but because we are bored, stressed, lonely, tempted. We eat for taste. We eat because the clock says it's time. We eat to escape emotions. And while we keep stacking food over food, our cells are silently screaming.
Food is fuel, but that's only half the truth. To digest heavy food, your body uses up to 70 to 80% of its total energy. Imagine you have $100. If 80 goes into digestion, what remains for creativity, clarity, deep thinking, spiritual growth? That's why after overeating, you feel sleepy, dull, heavy. That food coma is a temporary shutdown of your vitality. Here's something extraordinary. When you don't eat for 12 to 16 hours, your body activates a hidden intelligence. It begins cleaning itself. Damaged cells, weak bacteria, early abnormal cells. Everything unnecessary gets recycled. This process is called autophagy. Your body becomes its own vacuum cleaner. But if you eat every 3 to 4 hours, this system never switches on. Ancient yogis knew this thousands of years ago. That's why they fasted, not to suffer, but to regenerate. Inside your stomach burns a sacred fire. This digestive fire is strongest when the sun is highest, midday. But what do? Heavy dinner at 10 or 11 p.m. when digestion is weakest. So instead of resting, your body fights all night. You wake up tired, irritated, foggy, not because you didn't sleep, but because your stomach was at war. Did you know nearly 90% of your happiness hormone, serotonin, is produced in your gut? Your gut is your second brain. If it's toxic, your mind becomes cloudy. If it's clean, your thoughts become sharp. An empty stomach is not weakness, it is clarity. Most of the time, you are not hungry, you are emotional. You eat when bored. You eat when stressed. You eat when sad. But the hunger of the mind cannot be satisfied with food. It's a bottomless pit. Animals stop eating when sick. Only humans force-feed themselves. Fasting is not punishment. It is nature's surgery. You don't have to become extreme. Start simple. Try 16-8 intermittent fasting. Eat within 8 hours. Let your body repair for 16 hours. For example, first meal at 10 a.m., last meal by 6 p.m. The first few days will be uncomfortable, but that's not hunger, that's addiction. Cross that phase and you'll discover clear skin, sharp focus, deep sleep, calm energy. When you eat, don't scroll, don't rush, don't argue. Sit silently. Chew slowly. There are no teeth in the stomach. Digestion begins in awareness. Your body is a sacred fire altar. Every bite is an offering. Choose wisely. Starting today, take 3 vows. Don't eat unless you are truly hungry. Avoid heavy food after sunset. Before eating, pause for 2 seconds and ask, will this bring me light or darkness? You're not just eating food, you are choosing your future. Be the master of your body, not its slave.
An empty stomach sometimes is the doorway to infinite power. If this message resonated with you, comment below, "I choose awareness." Share this with someone who needs this truth. And remember, discipline over desire, always.